Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these beautiful crochet ornament balls. I made it like that. You can wash it because I fill it with fiber. You can use it several years and I think it's beautiful gift. I hope you like it. I use my left yarns, these colors, but you can use which color you want. This is Christmas colors and I want to use this green, red, sparkle, but if you want pinks, yellows, blues, it's your choice. It's so simple. We do that easily, I promise. I use my different type of left yarns and use 3mm hook. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful crocheted ornament balls. Let's start to crochet. I start with red yarn. First of all, make a magic ring. I made my magic ring like that. Make a hole, grab my yarn, insert in it, and 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert that hole, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. This chain 3 is my first double crochet. Now I will make here totally 12 double crochet. 2, yarn over, insert here. 3, I hold these 2 yarns together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then pull that little yarn tightly and close this hole. Insert the first chain 3, stop, and grab these 2 yarns together and we lock this center. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Take this yarn this side and I will hide it in the second round. Now I will take my second color and take my coffee. Then I will insert my hook any of that between double crochets here, not in the stitch I insert. I will insert between of these 2 doubles. Grab this yarn locked with chain 1 and not count. Yarn over, insert into same space here. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, insert the next doubles between space here and hide this tail 2. 2, chain 1, yarn over, come to next space. Here, not insert into the stitch, you will insert that space. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Second round, we will make double crochet between of them 1 chain. Chain 1, come to next and hide these tails 2. 4, chain 1, 5, chain 1, insert the next. 6, chain 1, insert the next space. 7, chain 1, next space. 8, 9, chain 1, 10, 11 and 12. Chain 1 and come to first double stop and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut my yarn again. Now I will cut this, which I hide the tails, these two. Now I will hide it, now this round. Now I will take my white color. We are on the third round. Again we work this chain 1 space. Insert any of that chain 1 space. Chain 1 and not count. Yarn over. Make double crochet in the same chain 1 space. Then on the third round we will make 2 double crochet in every each stitch and make chain 1. Yarn over and hide these 2 tails 2. Come to next chain 1 space and make here 2 double, 1 and 2. Chain 1. Come to next space. Make here 2, 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double, chain 1, make 2 double. Complete this third round. I come here and turn to you. I come to end, chain 1 and insert into the first chain, first double crochet stop, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn again. And cut these hide tails. Now I will take my sparkle color. I again insert my hook, chain 1 space, grab my yarn, chain 1 and not count, yarn over, and this time make here 3 double in chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3. If my video comes to more speedy, you can slow down my speed. Here 3 dots, push that and please slow down my video. Chain 1 and come to next chain 1 space. Make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, come to next, 1, 2, 3. Turn all around this motif with 3 double crochet, between of them chain 1. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, chain 1, again insert the first stitch, stop, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut. And cut these hide tails. Here. Now I will keep repeating with my red color. This time 2 more rounds we will crochet 3 double crochet in chain 1 space, because it's we want to make this shape curving and take this ball shape. So I insert chain 1 space and take my yarn, chain 1 not count and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, come to next space and make 3 double, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, come to next, 1, 2, 3. Then chain 1 and complete this round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We crochet 6th round, again 3 double, chain 1, 3 double, chain 1, make 3 double in chain 1 space. Complete the 6th round, I will turn to you. I complete my 6th round like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 double crochet in between of these double crochets, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, second round. After make 2 double crochet in chain 1 space, between of them chain 1, then make 3 double crochet in chain 1 space and make chain 1, 2 more rounds crochet with 3 double chain 1, complete 6 round, and crochet 1 more piece. I have 2 pieces. Now we join them together like that. I will put this finishing point together. Insert my hook from both of them like that. Take my yarn and make single crochet. I make here single crochet, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I make 15. If you want, you can make it 20 or 10. This is your hanging piece. Insert into the same and again join with a single crochet. Then you will put your stitches like that. This time I will take this side's back loop, this side's front loop, but I will insert my hook, this front loop, this side, like that, like it. I will take one loop and left here the other loops. Grab my yarn and join with slip stitch. Come to next stitch, insert, and here take 2 loops, join with a slip stitch like that, join with a slip stitch. You will take these loops, put it together, insert from that like that, grab your yarn and join with a slip stitch. It's looking like that. I will turn all around. When I come a little space to finish, for example here, I will turn to you and we will fill it with fiber. Look at that. I will put the stitches together. Of course you can join them like that, but it's looking more better, I think. So I will insert that. You will put it like that, insert like that. Okay, one here, one here. I come here and turn to you. I come here, lose my loop and open these pieces and take my fiber. Now we will fill it tightly. Okay. Now we keep closing our ball. Put 2 sides together again, insert that loop and the opposites and join with a slip stitch. I come to end, I insert the center, the first stitch, and join with a slip stitch. Chain one and cut my yarn. Then hide this tail into the ball. That's it. It's ready. I hope you like it. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. You can make 6, or if you fast crocheter, you can make 10 of them or 12 in one day. I hope you like it and you will try and put it and remember me. And remember me, I think it's a perfect present for your friends and family. It's unforgettable gift, I think. Thanks for your time to watch me. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.